Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today I will explain how a Murabaha transaction is being done in Islamic banking or finance companies today. As I explained before in previous videos, that Murabaha is simple sale purchase transaction in which the buyer is interested to know the cost price or the profit portion. On the other side, as I explained before, that Bay'ul Ajal is also simple sale purchase transaction in which goods are on spot, delivered on spot, and price is deferred. In Islamic banking system or sector or industry, today we are doing Murabaha is combination of Murabaha plus Bay'ul Ajal. Why Murabaha? Because our client or customer is interested to know the cost price or to know the profit portion. While goods are delivered on spot, if you are purchasing car, if you are purchasing commodities, if you are purchasing furniture, if you are purchasing machinery, so all goods are delivered on spot while the price is deferred. So today Murabaha in Islamic banking sector or industry is the combination of two things. One is Murabaha, the transaction is simple sale purchase transaction in which the buyer or the client is interested to know the cost price, and yes, it is already decided. The cost price or the profit portion or the profit percentage is agreed between bank and the client, and then the bank is giving option to the client that yes, you can pay in monthly equal installment, or you can pay quarterly, or you can pay yearly, whatever they are agreed. So it is the agreement between the client and bank as per bank policy or as per the client requirement or eligibility or his own status. Thank you and Jazakallah khair. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions, and advice for an ideal life.